Now we'll create the body of the handle. Start the revolution element command. Since we launched this command in the sketch mode, the section was defined automatically. You can see the sketch name in the section field. But the axis wasn't defined, because there were no lines with the center line style in the sketch. To define the revolution axis, click the sketch segment or the Z-axis in the additional tree. In our case, this is the same. Complete the command. Let's create one more sketch to add some volume and sculpt the handle. Start the sketch on the XY plane. It's the blue plane. First, project the element you just created onto the sketch plane. Click Project Object. Select the model. The projection is a circle. Turn on Wireframe in the Quick Access bar to change the model's display style. This display style will allow you to see the sketch clearer. Next, start the arc command and create an arc. Stop the command. Align the arc center and the origin using the alignment command. Use the center local snap to select the arc center. Add dimensions. First, the linear dimension, the distance from the origin to the arc center, and the radial dimension for the arc. You can use Smart Dimension or the Special Dimensions commands as well. Stop the command. Click on the arc to open the context menu. Select the Mirror option to create a symmetrical copy of the arc. Select the coordinate axis as the symmetry axis. Hover over the axis and when it turns turquoise, click it. To delete unnecessary elements, start the Trim Curve command. This command allows you to delete parts of elements restricted by points or intersections with other elements. Let's click the circle elements we don't need. The sketch is completely defined and ready for the next operations. Let me return to the shaded wireframe option. Exit the sketch mode. To make the handle more ergonomic, let's create a curved surface. This surface will define the smooth top part of the handle. Create a new sketch on the ZY plane. Draw an arc with the center on the axis. Add the dimension between the arc center and the origin, 45, and the radius, 62. This sketch is not completely defined. However, this doesn't matter since the sketch will be used to create an infinite surface. But you can add one more dimension or a constraint if you want. Exit the sketch mode. Go to the Wireframe and Surfaces toolbar set. Start the Revolution Surface command. The section has been automatically defined since the sketch was selected. Select the Z-axis as the rotation axis. Complete the command. Return to the Solid State Modeling toolbar set and start Extrusion element. Select the sketch as the section. Choose to Object from the Method options and select the curved surface as the limiting object. Complete the command. Let me hide the revolution surface.